Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can watch your recorded games on Hulu TV. So to watch the recorded games on Hulu TV, you can go to My Stuff on the top middle. So if you go to My Stuff, you are going to find all of your recordings that are stored. So after going there, you can click on Recordings. So in the recordings, you are going to find all of the shows or all of the games that you have been recording. So if there are any games that you have been recording, you are going to find them right here. So you can just scroll through all of your recorded games or TV shows or movies, and you can just simply click on that particular show to play it. So this is how you find your recorded games on Hulu TV. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.